everyone, my name is Princess Diana from BS Ed Education Department. And now, I'm yours the presenter today. I am going to introduce our topic. The title is A Preposition. And I know this is so familiar to us because in English grammar, we always use it and see it in the sentence. This is our lesson objective. At the end of this lesson, the student should be able to define preposition and preposition phrases, identify the kinds of preposition, and determine the uses and example of each preposition. And what we'll be discussing is all about three kinds of preposition and prepositional phrases and their type. And I will start our topic. What is preposition? A preposition is a word that shows how an object, which is usually a noun or pronoun. From the word pre means before, typically before a substantive, and indicating the relationship of that substantive to a verb, an adjective, or another substantive. Other hands, preposition that shows direction, location, or time, or that introduces an object. And additionally, informal English preposition are almost always followed by object. And here is a list of commonly used prepositions. These are hundreds of prepositions in the English language, all of which are used to show a relationship between ideas. And now let's continue on the next slide. These are the three kinds of preposition. The first one is a simple preposition. The second one is a compound preposition. And the last one is a phrasal preposition. And now, let me define first simple preposition. Simple preposition are the short word uses to determine a relationship between noun, pronoun, or even two joint parts of clauses or sentence. In short, it means it is a single word preposition or one preposition in the sentence. For example, a word, about, above, across, after, among, around, at, and so on. For second one, compound preposition. Compound preposition are more than one word preposition, meaning to say two or more preposition. Also, we can say it is a combination of words. It is example of commonly used in compound preposition. In addition, according to, in spite of, instead of, in front of, by means of, aside from, because of, and out of. And the last one is phrasal preposition. Phrasal preposition are a collection of words or phrases that meet the noun or pronoun in a sentence, meaning to say group of words used with the force of a single preposition. For example, by means of, in addition to, in back of, in behalf of, and so on. On the next slide, prepositional phrase is functioned as adjective or adverbs in a sentence. They are formed like this. The components of phrasal preposition. Let's study this equation. Preposition plus optional modifiers plus noun, pronoun, or gerund ends with ing equal phrasal preposition. And always remember that a preposition phrase begins with a preposition and ends with noun or pronoun being modified. Example, over the rainbow. Over is a preposition, the is an article, and rainbow which is a noun. Another example, the woman in a purple dress is my favorite teacher. In the purple dress is the prepositional phrase in the sentence. It starts with a preposition in and ends with a noun being modified, which is what we call the object of the proposition. The words in between are modifiers. Another prepositional phrase, I run with determination. With determination is the prepositional phrase. It starts with a preposition which ends with a noun. Being modified, which is what we call the object of the preposition. This example does not have any modifiers. A prepositional phrase can be either adjectival or adverbial. It is adjectival if it modifies the noun or pronoun in a sentence. However, it is adverbial if it modifies the verb. For example, the cake with sprinkles is yours. The prepositional phrase with sprinkles modifies the noun, is cake. Therefore, this phrase is what we call adjectival. Another way of finding what kind of phrase is in the sentence is by asking which cake is yours, the one with sprinkles. Another example, the balloon drifted up the stairs. The prepositional phrase is up the stairs, modifies the verb drifted. Therefore, this adverbial phrase answer the question such as when, where, and how. So where the balloon drifted up the stairs. That's all for today. I hope you learned more about the topic and it makes it clear and understandable. And thank you so much for watching and listening. Once again, I'm Princess Diana Torres from BS Ed Education Department, and God bless to all.